Okay, I know the lighting is probably horrible in this video, but I apologize for that. I just want to go ahead and put this video together really quick. This is my Parrot Bebop. You're probably wondering right now why I have it kind of apart. I'm putting the original chassis back on here. This is a replacement chassis from Parrot. I had the Carbo Spider chassis on here. I have some issues with this, and on this channel, instead of me saying, oh yeah, what the modification I did, it works 100%, I have to be honest, this modification, it does work. It's a nice frame, and I really do like this frame, but there's issues with this frame. And I'll show you the major issue right here. Major issue is this. Now, it could have been easily, this manufacturer, Carbo Spider, could actually solve the problem themselves had they purchased a $12 set of Parrot replacement legs for this. $12. Even when they were designing this, they could have just purchased these to make these plug and play with this. And the issue is, as you know, this is a Wi-Fi camera drone. And the RF panels, here's an RF panel right here. There's a panel for each of the legs. The RF panels get placed into these feet, which is on the outside right here like that. So the signal can be sent out back to the controller. And what happens with RF signal, and if you know a little bit about RF signal and carbon fiber and RF, they don't get along. In fact, I was experiencing, because these are the carbon fiber feet that these RF panels were inserted into, and I was only getting about 600 to 800 feet of FPV signal, and to me that is unacceptable. That's right along the lines of my F200W, which is okay with that, but not okay with a Parrot Bebop 2, because I have had this out quite a distance before. I won't say exactly how far, but however, right now I can go out maybe a football field length, maybe, and the signal will just start cutting out on me. So I actually just took the Carbo Spider frame off, replacing it with an original Bebop. This is not the original frame because I cracked my other frame, broke it. This is a replacement frame, but I'm putting a replacement frame from Parrot on here. I've had this frame for some time now. I've had this frame on before I actually put that on this. So yeah, the only thing I don't like about the Parrot screws, you got to be careful with these things. I don't care how careful I am with these things, the heads strip out. Luckily, I have a full set of Parrot screws over here, so I can go ahead and finish this out. But man, these things strip out like you wouldn't believe, even with a proper tool. So, and if you're wondering why I'm not flying this thing, let me show you why I'm not flying my Parrot Bebop. This is why. You know, Parrot Bebops, they do like nice lighting, and this is not nice lighting. But however, I do want to fly something today, and I don't want to be stuck in the house all day today doing modifications, because I'll be honest with you, because of this crappy weather we've had this winter, I'm getting kind of tired of modifications. I actually just want to fly something. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some editing of this video, get it uploaded, and in the next video, hopefully I'll be flying something, but it won't be the Parrot Bebop because this weather is crap. We'll talk to you later. Bye.